This isn't just an RC truck. This is a 50-plus mile-per-hour, ground-shaking monster that can survive insane crashes, rip through any terrain, and still come back for more. Blink and you'll miss it. Stay and you'll see something absolutely unbelievable.
What if I told you there's an RC truck so powerful, it literally defies physics? Meet the beast that's rewriting the rules, the Traxxas X-Maxx. This isn't just another remote-controlled truck. The X-Maxx is a full-blown monster machine built for extreme speed, insane power, and unstoppable durability. Whether you're bashing through dirt, sand, or rocks, this thing dominates everything in its path. Let's talk raw power. The X-Maxx runs on an insane 8S system that's over 30 volts of pure adrenaline. What does that mean for you? Explosive acceleration and top speeds of over 50 miles per hour. Yes, you heard that right, 50-plus miles per hour from an RC truck. The moment you hit the throttle, it launches like a rocket. And it's not just fast, it's huge. The X-Maxx has a massive, aggressive stance that commands attention. Its size isn't just for looks, it provides incredible stability, making high-speed runs feel controlled and smooth, even on rough terrain. Now let's look at those belted sledgehammer tires. These aren't your average RC wheels. They're designed to grip, shred, and conquer the toughest terrains, from loose gravel to muddy trails, while maintaining stability even at insane speeds. No wobble, no loss of control, just pure dominance. But what really sets the X-Maxx apart is its toughness. This truck is built to take a beating. Big jumps, hard landings, no problem. Traxxas engineered this machine to absorb punishment and keep going. It's not just durable, it's practically indestructible. Users absolutely love the X-Maxx for one simple reason. It delivers pure excitement every single time. Whether you're a beginner or a hardcore RC enthusiast, the thrill of controlling this monster never gets old. It's fast, it's powerful, and it makes every run feel like an adrenaline-filled adventure. The X-Maxx isn't just an RC truck, it's an experience. It combines insane speed, rugged durability, and massive scale into one unstoppable package. It's the kind of machine that turns heads and leaves people speechless. If you want the ultimate monster truck experience, the X-Maxx isn't an option. It's the only choice.
Imagine a rocket, small enough to fit in your backpack, but fast enough to hit 55 miles per hour. Sounds impossible? Meet the Mini XRT. This compact beast is proof that size doesn't limit performance. The Mini XRT brings full-scale power into a portable, take-anywhere design. It's built for speed, engineered for toughness, and designed to blow your mind. Under the hood, you get a full 1/10 scale Velenion 3S brushless system. Translation: massive power packed into a small frame. This thing doesn't just move, it launches. With speeds over 55 miles per hour, the Mini XRT is one of the fastest trucks in its class. Here's where it gets crazy. It's small enough to carry anywhere. Toss it in your backpack, take it to the park, the street, or the trail. You're no longer limited by size. This truck gives you freedom to race wherever you want. Despite its compact size, the Mini XRT delivers incredible stability and control. It's built with race-inspired engineering, meaning you get precise handling even at high speeds. Tight turns, quick acceleration, and smooth control. It's all here. And don't let the size fool you. This thing is tough, seriously tough. Built with the same durability standards as larger models, the Mini XRT can handle crashes, jumps, and rough terrain without backing down. Users love how fun and convenient this truck is. It's fast, portable, and insanely exciting to drive. Whether you're racing your friends or just enjoying a solo run, it delivers a big thrill in a small package. The Mini XRT breaks expectations. It combines speed, power, and portability in a way that few RC vehicles can. It's not just a smaller version, it's a whole new level of performance. If you want big performance without the bulk, the Mini XRT is your ultimate pocket rocket. PureRtech. Like, comment, and subscribe.